Edo State government under Senator Okpebholo's administration don't finalize 675 billion naira budget for 2025. The Edo State House of Assembly, after approval, add over 70 billion naira to agricultural sector to increase them from the 4.5 billion naira where they first allocate when they present and give the House of Assembly on Tuesday, December 10, 2024. For Tok statement wey dem release on Thursday, December 26, 2024, the Chief Press Secretary to the Governor, Fred Itwa, come talk say this new development na after the Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honourable Blessing Agbebaku, carry the approved 2025 appropriation bill give Governor Okpebholo for him to sign. The CPS come also talk say the big money wey dem put for agricultural sector na to fight food shortage and reduce hunger for Edo State, and say with the new mechanized farming plan wey go start early 2025, Edo State fit produce enough food, even begin export agricultural produce go other states. Say this move fit turn Edo State to agricultural hub, boost economy and make life better for people wey dey the state. Na sake of this development, TMC TV tori people carry waka enter Benin City to chook eye and torchlight how people take jolly for this year 2024 Christmas as compared to last year 2023, especially as food price don high. For King Square wey dey Ring Road, Benin City, people come share their experience as dem talk say the high pump price and other economic wahala make this Christmas jollification not too sweet. One person even talk say the cost of food and other things make this 2024 Christmas not too jolly like last year, while another person come talk say even with the plenty wahala, dem still get hope say better days dey come, especially as government don carry focus put for agriculture for 2025 budget.
It's very expensive to compare last year. Very, very, very much expensive. But man must survive now.
Well, last year, definitely chicken was about 15,000 thereabouts, and we're complaining that it was too much. This year, we're talking about 30, 35,000, so there's an economic difference. Fuel was about 200 per litre, if I'm not mistaken, or 1 and something thereabouts last year. Now, of course, it's more than 1,000 naira, so that's a very big difference already. But however, it's a time that we don't allow anything to take our joy. So the Jesus effect still make us have the joy. You know, Christmas it's not about the economic impact, no whatever, but definitely if you have Jesus, you always be singing a different song. Because when people can say there's a casting down, we'll be saying that there's a lifting up.
Thank God because upon all the whole scarcity of money, all the whole problem, everything costs. We thank God. We eat everything successful, everything rice, but everything rice is 100 and something. But if you reach market, we see many people buying bag of rice. So we thank God for that.
My sister, I thank God though. I celebrate them very well. My problem is say rice where we keep my because I reach there and the price they can't change. So I not gonna see rice chop yesterday. After they talk so this morning and how they work, I never see anything to chop. But I know how I go arrange them. If you get anything where government go do, may they do because the Christmas this year no sweet at all. Even the watch night where if before we go do, I'm tired. But now who you call go say I bet he don't sleep. You call your friend go say he don't sleep. Ask me whether they share money for dream. I don't see anybody. Media people may not know how I go talk to government. May they know how to reduce things so that the hardship is too much. That be the problem.
This year Christmas is very, very tough. Last year is more better than this year. So a lot of things. People are doing travel like that. Even people that travel for another reason. So this year Christmas, no celebration so much because a lot of scarcity of cash. It's supposed to be a taste of joy. People will celebrate, you see canopies, see enjoyment, see people dancing, see many things happening. Our brothers and sisters in outside country will come giving us dollars. This year I've never even seen $1. So the Christmas not fair for me.
And last year on better pass, so last year is better. I didn't celebrate Christmas, so every year I had. There's no money, so I didn't celebrate Christmas.
According to the Plenty Yarnings, Eclair said the big allocation of over 70 billion naira to agriculture for 2025 budget, they give people hope, say if the Okpebholo's administration use the money wella, it go help reduce hunger, create jobs for youth, bring more money enter the state, improve life for Edo people, and even make jollification seasons better for everybody. Make una no forget say, As we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Kata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.